Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide friend list on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide your friend list on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app and log into your account, as I have already logged into my account over here. And on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your username available for us with the drop down arrow at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your username at the top right corner, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the view my profile option over here where my mouse is currently hovering. Click on the view my profile, and this kind of interface will appear. Again, you will be required to click on the edit profile option, which is over here where my mouse is currently hovering. Click on edit profile, and you'll land on this interface where you can see the privacy settings available for us over here where my mouse is currently hovering. Click on the privacy settings, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the friend list option available for us under the category of my profile. Now in order to hide your friend list on your Steam, you can see when you click on the friend list where it says friend only, there is the public, friend list and private option available for us. Now if you want to hide your friend list to everybody on your Steam, you can simply click on the private and your friend list will be hidden to everybody. If you want to hide it to everybody but show it to your friends, you can click the friends only, and your friends will be shown to your friends and it will be private to the public. So in order to hide it permanently from everybody, and with that being done guys, your friend list will be private and hidden. And yeah guys, this is how to hide friend list on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.